Hello guys, let's discuss this problem on surface area of a cone. This problem says find the curved surface area of a cone if the vertical height is 12 centimeter and the radius of the cone is 5 centimeter. This is the cone here. You know that this is the radius of the cone. This is the vertical height of the cone and this is the lateral height of the cone. What is the curved surface area of a cone? It is pi RL. So let's apply the formula. Curved surface area of a cone, and that is pi RL, where you know that R is the radius of the cone and L is the lateral height. Here in this problem you know the vertical height and you know the radius, and as in the curved surface area you know that here it is lateral height. So you can easily calculate lateral height. How? By applying Pythagoras, because this will make a right angle triangle. So here this lateral height will be h square plus r square. You know the value for h, which is 12 square. You know the value for r, which is 5 square, and this will give you 13 centimeter. So let's use the value of L and R in this formula. So what you'll get? Let's put the value for R and L. After solving this, what you'll get? You'll get 204.28 centimeter square. Why centimeter square? Because this is the area, not the volume. I'll be taking more problems in the coming video lecture. Thank you.